Welcome to NPM Tech. Cool tools you must see. Nemo Reciprocating Saw. Designed by divers for divers, the Nemo Power Tools Submersible Reciprocating Saw is the world's first submersible waterproof electric saw, and engineered to provide the same level of performance at 50 m underwater as it does on land. Weighing in at just 6.4 pounds, this saw is powered by a reliable 18-volt Li-ion battery and features a variable speed trigger, boasting up to 3,000 strokes per minute and a keyless blade clamp that allows you to change blades easily underwater. This reciprocating saw offers commercial divers the power and control they need. Makita DML814. The Makita cordless tower light LXT Bear unit has 3 brightness settings so that you can choose what is necessary for you while working. Alongside this, it has a controller with a memory function to remember the last brightness setting that was used to add convenience. What's more, the LED color is daylight white to suit working spaces as it replicates natural light, making it perfect for in the workplace for professional tradespeople. Additionally, it has a simple operation with a push lock release button and is easily fixed to the ground with pegs or screws. Makita DWD-180 118-volt scanner. Before you go drilling into that wall or floor, you'll want to know what kind of surprises await you beneath the surface. That's where the Makita DWD-180 118-volt wall and floor scanner comes in handy. This cordless multi-material scanner detects objects in concrete and masonry surfaces up to 7 deep, helping you safely pick your spots for cutting, drilling, and coring. Armeg Brick Line Runner. The Brick Line Runner is the new tool for builders bricklayers which provide a quick and simple way to run a line and allow simultaneous work on multiple walls. Featuring spring-loaded jaws to provide a sturdy clamping solution resulting in a no-drop corner blocks for time and hassle-free work. Simply fix the clamps, run the line and lay your course. The Brick Line Runner is made to fit securely over bricks with rubber pads which grip tightly to the brick surface, meaning there is no requirement to maintain perfect tension when setting up the line. Simply set the line up slack and clamp off tight. Brick lines can be easily run around both internal and external corners due to the product featuring line slots in the external jaw, allowing builders to maximize their time efficiently. Roberts Floor Roller. The Roberts Extendable Floor Roller is great for rolling vinyl floor covering and includes 2 handles for maximum leverage. With an extendable handle that ranges from 17 inches, 27, you can guarantee to reach all parts of your flooring. The segmented rollers exert even pressure to smooth out any uneven areas, and the 7 3/8 wide non-marking rollers and inset axles won't scuff walls. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like and share.